Hello everybody, my name is Jessica, and for today's instructional video I'm going to be showing you all how to make a paper snowflake. This is a fun activity to get the whole family involved, and it's for all ages. So our materials we're going to be needing are a pair of scissors, a piece of paper, a pencil, and you may want a device that has access to the internet and is also able to print. So we're going to be taking our piece of paper for our first step, and we're going to be folding it as a triangle like this. So we're going to want to make the corner line up as best as we can, and we're just going to fold along that crease. It doesn't have to be perfect, but like I said, we're going to try as best as we can to get it lined up. So our next step is we got to get rid of this excess paper. So I'm going to be taking my pair of scissors and I'm going to be cutting this off. And we will not be needing this after this is cut off, so we can just throw this away. So this looks something like this, as a big triangle. So our next step is we're going to be taking our triangle and we're going to be folding it in half one more time. Like this. And our next step, we flip it over and we're going to use this corner as a reference point. We're taking our first half and we're going to be folding and stopping when we meet that corner. And we're just going to fold down. And then we're going to be following the opposite side and making another fold so that it lines up to the corner as well. We're going to fold it. It doesn't need to be perfect at the bottom. It won't affect your pattern at the end. So our next step is we're going to be cutting off the excess paper. So I'm taking my pair of scissors and cut this off, and that's not needed as well, so we can throw that away. So this is what it should look like. It should look like a small triangle. It has a bunch of folds. So if you want to have a hole in your snowflake, you're going to be cutting off the tip of it. I always like having a hole in the center of mine, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Next, we're going to be cutting out our pattern. So you can either go online with that device and find patterns and print them out, and what you do is you fold them and you lay them on top of your pattern, and then you would trace it and cut it out as appropriate. I usually don't like to do that. I like to be more creative and see what happens with my cutting. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be taking my scissors and just making random cuts all throughout my triangle. Okay, so this is my end result of the cutting I just did. It's not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. Snowflakes are always unique, so just have fun on it. So I'm going to unfold my snowflake very carefully because it's very fragile. And the more cuts you do make in your snowflake, the more delicate it is, so just be careful when you're opening that. So this is what my snowflake looks like. And here are a few other snowflakes I did in college. So I did this one here. And I did not use a template at all. And I did this one as well. A great idea to hanging up snowflakes is taking a piece of thread or string and you can just tape it on the back of it, or you can loop it around one of the holes and hang it up on like your curtain rod, tape it on your window, or anything that you find the best place for it. I hope you find this video very instructional, and I hope you guys have a great time making your own paper snowflakes. Thank you.